Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. Today I'm here in the kitchen again and I will be making some fried dumpling. Okay, my ingredients, I have 2 cups of flour here, which I'm gonna save. I have my baking powder, which is right here. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of baking powder in there, a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna use milk to mix my dumpling instead of water. You can use water too, but I chose to use milk. I want my dumplings to be nice and fluffy. And here I have 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm gonna get started. Let me sift my flour. I'm just sifting my flour because I want my dumplings to be nice and light and fluffy. Alright, so I'm gonna sit that there. Alright, so this is my baking powder and this is my salt. So I'm just gonna mix these together. Alright, so I'm gonna wash my hands and I will be right back. Alright, so I just washed my hands because you have to make sure when you're kneading flour your hands are clean. Alright, so I'm gonna put my butter in there. When you put the butter, you see you have these nice little lumps in there, and that is gonna help your dumpling to be nice and soft and flaky. So you kind of stir that in and rub it in. Alright, so that is it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start mixing my dumpling. Some people like to put sugar in there, but I don't want to put any sugar in there. But if you want, it's optional, you can put a little sugar. Nowadays people put sugar into a lot of stuff, but not everything I like it in. And then when you're mixing your dough, you don't pour all the water or the milk in at once. You just take your time and put in little by little until you get the dough coming together. You don't want it to get it too soft either, and you don't want it to be too hard. You just want it nice and fluffy and manageable. Not too soft, because if it's too soft it will be sticking all over your hand and then you can't get it together. So you see the way it look? Yes, that's how you want it to be. And this right here, I'm not going to start frying it right now. I'm just gonna put it down for about an hour Or you can even leave it overnight if you want, but I'm just gonna put it down for an hour and let the dough set. Because when it's set, then you're gonna see it come out nice and smooth. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm finished with that. Okay. Alright guys, my time is up. So I come back now to check my dough. Oh, my dough is nice and soft, see? So what I'm gonna do now, oops. I'm gonna just roll my dough on here. Alright. Let me use a half first. Press this back in the can and just roll this out. So it's nice and flowing, it's not thick. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my dough about 1.5 inches because I don't want my dumplings to be too big. Alright, so I'm gonna just roll my dough like this. See, nice dumplings. Alright, so now I roll all my doughs and I get 12 little dumplings. And normally you don't want your hand to be too hot, so I dropped a piece in there to test it, and that's where that's the temperature I want it. So I'm gonna put them in, and you want them to bubble slowly. You don't want them to start frying too fast, because if they start frying too fast, then they're gonna be burning. And when you first put them in, they're gonna stay at the bottom for a while, and when they start cooking, then you're gonna see them take time and rise to the top. Alright, now these dumplings are ready, so I'm gonna take them out. See how nice and fluffy they look? And this take about maybe 7 to 8 minutes to cook. there you have it. Nice, soft and fluffy fried dumpling. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think, and I will see you in another one. Thank you and God bless. Let me try these now and let you see. I'm gonna break one. See guys, oh nice and fluffy. Oh, this is hot. Nice and fluffy they are. Oh, this is hot though. Can't eat it. This is so good.